Hi, Dale coming to you from my driveway today, and I bought this new in 2008. It's a Toyota Tacoma. I really like this truck. It's been a real trooper for me. One thing that I am a big fan of in trucks is seeing where I'm going when I'm backing up. My reverse lights have burned out on this, so I'm going to replace those. At the same time, I figured I'll just go ahead and replace all the rear lights, the turn signal, the brake light, and the reverse light. Figuring they'll all burn out at some point anyways, get it done now while I have it pulled out. I am not in any way a car guy. I don't really work well around cars and with motors, so believe me when I tell you this is an incredibly simple thing to do and anybody can do this. Hope you stick around, I'll show you how I do it. Come on, let's go. Again, my truck is a 2008 Toyota Tacoma and the rear light fixtures are held on with 2 screws. Simply remove both screws and the entire fixture will be able to be removed. Once the screws are removed, you can remove the light assembly. You'll need to give it a decent tug to pull it out from the tabs that are holding it in. Once the light assembly is removed, you now have access to all 3 lights. The bottom one is the reverse light, the middle one is the brake light, and the top one is the turn signal light. I'm going with these LED lights. They're not a sponsor, but they got good reviews on Amazon, so I bought them with my own money. I'm starting with the reverse light. Simply give the light a counterclockwise turn and the plug should come right out. Then pull the light out of the plug. You may need to give this a pretty hard pull to get it out. Now do the reverse to put the new bulb in. Take your new bulb and insert it into the plug. Make sure you hear and feel a good solid click to ensure it is seated properly. Then put the plug back in and turn clockwise until it's locked in. Moving on to the brake light, it is a repeat of the reverse light. Give the plug a counterclockwise turn, remove the plug from the light assembly, give the bulb a good tug to remove it from the plug, take your new bulb and insert it into the plug, and finally reinsert the plug into the light assembly with a clockwise turn. I know with non-LED bulbs you want to wear gloves so you do not touch the bulbs with your bare hands. That'll leave oil on the bulbs and reduce the life of the bulb. I'm not sure if that's needed with LED bulbs or not, but at least these will keep my hands clean. You may be thinking that replacing the turn signal light will be exactly the same as the reverse and brake lights. Well, it's completely different. Instead of turning the plug counterclockwise, you rotate it counterclockwise to remove from the assembly. Instead of pulling the light out of the socket, you maneuver the light bulb out of the socket. Instead of inserting the new bulb, you pop in the new bulb. And finally, you rotate clockwise to enclose the new plug back into the assembly. So you can see it's completely different. The lights are now replaced and it's time to put the light assembly back. Just line up the assembly so the 2 tabs will insert into their respective holes and push it in. You may need to give it a decent push to seat it. The final step is replacing the 2 screws that completely secure the light assembly to the truck. Now get your left-handed socket wrench out and repeat all steps for the other light assembly. Before inserting the second assembly back onto the truck, I wanted to show you the 2 tabs on the assembly and the mating holes on the truck. These are what you line up to pop back in place to make sure everything is positioned correctly. Now just line up the tabs and pop the assembly back on the truck. Insert the screws and securely tighten the light assembly to the truck. Then you can smile and pat yourself on the back because you just changed your rear lights on your vehicle. Congratulations. So there you go. Brand new lights for my 2008 Toyota Tacoma. I am really going to enjoy being able to see where I'm going when I back up now. Guys, this is a really easy job. It took me about 25 minutes, and that includes filming. You could probably do it in 10 to 15 minutes maybe if you really just hustled through it. Not a problem at all. This will save you quite a bit of money from taking it to the shop. So please, if your lights run out, take a look at the video and do it yourself. It's easy. If you like the video, please give it the thumbs up, consider subscribing, and share. Until next time, see ya.